Hi and welcome to Data Coder. I have created this new playlist SAS Graphs where I will discuss how to plot different charts or graphs in SAS. In this particular video, I am going to discuss how to plot a bar chart in SAS. We will discuss how to plot a simple bar charts, a stacked bar charts and a clustered bar charts. If this is your first time and if you want to watch more videos on base and advanced SAS programming, then please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Let's get started. So what is a bar chart? A bar chart represents data in rectangular bars with length of the bar proportional to the value of the variable. SAS use the procedure proc sgplot or proc gchart to create bar charts. We can draw both simple and stacked bars in the bar chart, and each of the bars can be given different colors. The syntax is we can create by either we can use proc sgplot or we can use proc gchart. So the syntax is proc sgplot data equal to dataset name, and if we want to create a vertical bar, then we need to mention v bar, and for horizontal bar we need to mention h bar, then we need to mention the variable name. And in the same way we can create using proc gchart. First we will see how to create a simple vertical or horizontal bar chart. And for that I have taken this dataset SAS help.class, and I will be using the variable age to create the bar chart. So here I have mentioned the partial output of SAS help.class dataset, and this dataset has been sorted based on age and sex. So let's create a simple bar chart of SAS help.class dataset. So to do that I need to write proc sgplot data equals to SAS help.class. I am going to create a vertical bar, so I need to mention v bar, then the variable age, run, quit. If I'll execute this code, I will get a vertical bar chart based on the variable age in SAS help.class dataset. So in the x-axis I have the variable name age, and for each distinct value the frequency count has been plotted. So in the y-axis I have the frequency count. So for age equal to 11 I have 2 values, and for age equal to 12 I have 5 values. Let's verify that in the dataset. So here when age equal to 11 I have 2 values, and when age equal to 12 I have 5 values. So based on this it's created the bars for each distinct value of age. And if I want to create a horizontal bar chart, then instead of v bar I need to mention h bar. So if I'll execute this code, instead of vertical bar chart I'll get the horizontal bar chart. So this is about creating a simple vertical or horizontal bar chart, and if we want to mention any title in the bar chart, then we can use a title statement, and whatever title we will mention in the title statement, it will come in the bar chart. The next one is the stacked bar. So in the stacked bar chart we are going to plot the bar chart for one variable with respect to another variable. So here I am going to create the vertical bar for age variable, and I am going to group the data based on sex. So let's see how we can do that. So here I need to mention I am creating a vertical bar, so v bar and slash I need to give group equal to sex. If I'll execute this code, I will get a bar charts for age, and the data has been grouped by sex. So when age equal to 11, I have two values, one is for male and another is for female, and in the legend which is mentioned below, I can identify which color is for male and which color is for female. So the female students are represented by the blue color and the male students are represented by the red color. So age equal to 11, I have one male and one female. Let's verify in the SAS dataset. For age equal to 11, I have one male and one female. Same way, for age equal to 12, I have 3 male and 2 female students. So for age equal to 12, I have 2 female and 3 male. So this is how we can create a stacked bar chart. The next concept is the clustered bar chart, and in the clustered bar chart we will identify how the data is distributed. So here in the stacked bar chart, if we add this option group display equal to cluster, then we will get the clustered bar chart. Let's see. So I need to just mention group display equal to cluster. If I'll execute this code, I will get a clustered bar chart. So here for age equal to 11, I have one male and one female, and for age equal to 12, I have 2 female and 3 male. So this is how we'll create the clustered bar chart. And here in the code, if I'll remove this group display option, I'll get a stacked bar chart, which is the previous bar chart. Or here also, instead of cluster, I can mention stacked. I can mention stack. So if I'll give this and execute this code, instead of clustered bar chart, I'll get the stacked bar chart. So these are the three concepts: how to create the simple bar chart, how to create a stacked bar chart, and how to create a clustered bar chart. Thank you for watching this video, and in my upcoming videos I am going to discuss how to customize this bar chart by applying different options, and we'll also see how to create some other charts using SAS. So stay tuned and happy coding.